Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. So by the thumbnail and title you can see that we're doing some 3D hearts. Aren't they so cute? So I'm gonna show you guys like each layer that I did, layer by layer, and then I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did it, and then I'm gonna show you guys what they would look like if I had it applied on. So yeah, these were so fun to do. I wanted to like try to do a little bit of everything just to show like how many layers you can actually add onto a set to like have it have all these different looks. So yeah, that was kind of my I don't know, my idea with this. I wanted to first just try the 3D hearts, and then as I was trying them, I just kept having all of these like thoughts in my head, and I was like, oh, let me try this. Oh, let me try glow. Let me try jelly. Let me try the little disco confetti. Like, I was just like, I don't know. So I just kept going with it, and I thought they came out really cool at every layer. My favorite layer, I will say, was the first one, just like plain like that. So I do have a set coming like that really soon, which I'm super excited about, and it's actually going to be like a shades of some color, so I'm not going to tell you guys yet until I show you, but that one will probably be one of the next videos that I'm showing. And then I do have another 3D gel video coming. These are both ready to ship sets that I made, and the other one that I am doing right now as well has like hearts, lips, just like all kinds of different stuff. I did flowers. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So those are gonna be next. I'm finishing them up actually, so I will be editing probably this weekend, so stay tuned for those. I'll probably do like little sneak peeks as I'm getting done with them. But yeah, so right here I'm just speeding it up a little bit because this was so tedious. So if this is taking you a while, don't get discouraged. Some of these nails took me like 12 minutes that I was doing on my other set. For this one I just did one, but like even when I added the confetti, that took forever because I was putting like each little ball or whatever they are, circle, one by one, so it was very time consuming. And then each layer, so yeah, if it takes you a while, don't get discouraged. This video was, I believe, over an hour, and I was able to get it down to 19 without cutting really anything out. I mean, because I leave my camera playing sometimes, so I cut out everything that wasn't showing anything, and then I just sped up some stuff. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys everything, and I'm going to let you guys finish watching how I sculpted the hearts, and then I will be right back. Okay, so this was the like first layer, and my idea in the very beginning was to just do a milky white. So this is what I was doing, and then after I believe maybe the second or third coat, I decided that I wanted the hearts to stand out a little more, and I wanted them to like be like puffy in a way, like just like, I don't know, like it just looked like you could poke it and it'd be so soft, like so, or pillowy. So yeah, that's what I was going for. So after a couple layers, I was like, okay, how can I make them a little bit puffier? And I forgot that I had a Milky White Builder Gel. So I decided to try that and then only do the hearts. So I went and got a liner brush and I only did the hearts, and then I would hold it upside down to let it just level out really good. And that turned out so much better. So I'm gonna do a couple more layers, I believe, or actually one more layer of this one, and then I'm gonna move on to the builder. So then I'll show you guys how I like really built up the hearts and just made them super like perfect and pillowy. Okay, so this was the Milky White Builder Gel that I decided to use, and because I was only doing the hearts, I decided to go in with a little brush. But I did realize now that I'm doing another set very similar to this, if you just go in with your Milky White Builder Gel and use the brush that it comes with and you just go over the hearts, it's so much faster. So yeah, you can skip this part and you can just go over it with your brush from your bottle. It'll be a lot quicker. And then I am curing between each layer and I'm holding it upside down. I believe I only got it like once or twice, showing you guys how I held it upside down, but I would just do this for, I don't know, like 10 to 15 seconds and just hold it so that I could see that it was leveling out and just making the hearts look fuller each time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick, and then I will show you guys the next layer. Okay, so I finally got the hearts looking how I wanted. While I was like making the hearts as I wanted them, I visioned them glowing. So I found a glow color that I haven't used in a long time, and it was just like again, it's like a milky white type color tan, and it just looked so cool to me. Like it looked like plastic. I don't know, I just thought it was so cool. So yeah, I decided to go in with those, and then while I was doing this layer, I was like, holographic something would look cool, and I saw this picture on Pinterest where it was just like hearts, but they were holographic hearts but with little like circles. So at first I went in with hearts and it didn't look the same, so then I grabbed my circles and I'll show you guys how I applied them. It was again very tedious, but I feel like it was worth it because they came out so cute and it just looked so cool. So I'm gonna finish doing this glow part, and then I will show you guys how I applied the little circle confetti. Okay, so this is what they are looking like, and I am just gonna go in now with a builder gel just like a builder gel coat. It's just clear, and I'm gonna put it over the hearts so that it's a little bit of a thicker layer so that I can encapsulate the circle, the holographic circles. Okay, so I just have this holographic grid and it has all kinds of little shapes. If I have it on my storefront, I'll definitely link it down below. If not, I'll try to look for one similar, or if I can find the exact ones, I'll link them down below. But there's just hearts, circles, stars, I think there's unicorns, there's Mickey Mouse, there's so many cute little things. So I am just getting all of the little circles and I am pretty much making like a disco ball heart. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and see this, and then I'm gonna show you guys up close how pretty the glitter looks. And honestly, I would have liked it too, just leaving it like this and then leaving the background this like tan color. I just think that would have been so cute as well. So there's just like so many different layers and styles to this set. Like you could make like 10 sets out of this one set that I did. So I just loved that, and I loved adding all the different layers and just seeing it. Okay, so now for this layer, there was another little thing I saw on Pinterest where they were all holographic circles, but there was hearts and in there as well. So I grabbed some of my holographic hearts and I just put them right on the little circles just to add a little bit of dimension. And then I'll show you guys up close if you can see. Hopefully you can see the hearts inside of there as just like, I don't know, another little fun thing you can add. I just thought it was so cute. And then another layer, I was thinking about how the holographic circles would look under some jelly colors. So I went in first with this pink, and then I liked the first layer, and then I was like, what else can I add? And so I was like, oh, pink and red always are perfect for Valentine's Day. So then I wanted to make the pink a little pinker. I do think I really liked the first layer of pink though. If I would have kept it like that and then just added the red to the hearts, I think that would have been maybe a little bit cuter, but it's okay. We were just like playing around with this set, and I just wanted to I kind of wanted to just play around and see what each layer would do and how it would look, and it gave me so many different ideas for other sets that I want to do. So I'm just like excited to have all these little layers and see what this color jelly would look like and then what a red jelly would look like. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let you guys finish watching this part. I'm just relining one more time with the pink one, and then I'm gonna do the hearts in the red. And so for this one, I started with outlining the hearts, and then once I put the color on it, I didn't really like the outline. I just thought it made it look like bulky, and it kind of took away from the heart shape. So at the very end of this, I'm gonna go in with a cleanup brush and just like take off all of the outline, and then for the next two hearts I'm just gonna put the brush on the nail. No outline, no nothing. I wanted the hearts to kind of look like they were sticking out of the nail, like I glued them on in a way, so I didn't want them to look like they were like painted with the nail, if that makes sense. I wanted the red to be totally separate from the pink part of the nail. Okay, so then I loved this layer. I thought it was so cute. Then I was like, let's add some glitter. And this is one of my favorite glitters. I was kind of just using some of my favorite products with this whole little design and just trying out all this stuff and what this glitter would look like on top of this color. So yeah, I just wanted to add some of this gold shimmer glitter onto the pink part, and this is what it looked like. I just think every layer looked so cool. So yeah. Now I was thinking of writing on the hearts, I love you, or I don't know, something like that. And then I remembered that I had some stickers and I thought that would be fun. So I found all of these little stickers and they say like love, XOXO, all this stuff. So I just found like my favorite ones and I'm just gonna apply them, and that's pretty much the very last thing. After this I was like, I'm done. This was so many layers. It literally took me like all day to do, because I was just back and forth, and then I was sitting for a long time just like, what can I do next? So yeah, these took forever, but in the end I loved every single layer. I learned so much while I was doing each layer too, and then I had so many ideas for future sets and future designs. So I'm just super excited, and if you guys recreate this set in any way or any of the layers, definitely show me. I would love to see. But right here I'm just gonna add the stickers really quick, and then I have some videos of what they would look like applied. So let me know what you guys think of this video. Okay, so this is how they look with top coat. So pretty, and I was shining my camera or my phone light too so that you guys could see all of the little holographic circles. They looked so cool under that red jelly, and then I just applied it really quick with a sticky tab to show you guys what it would look like if it was an actual nail on someone, or if you made these as a set. So yeah, this is what they look like. I did some low lighting, and then I also put it in my lamp to see if it would glow after all of the layers, and it did a little bit, and then the underneath glowed as well, and it showed the hearts that I built because I built them over the clear. So yeah, it ended up turning out so cool, you guys. Look how pretty that glitter just, I love it. I love the red glitter. I might want to make like a full set like that. Like I think that would be so pretty. So yeah, I hope I was able to teach you guys something in this video. Here's a little bit of glow, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.